got it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Money Got You TV, man. Today we got some news that came out earlier in regards to the shooting death of the real G Money. Now, if you don't know who G Money was, he was a TBG affiliate, up-and-coming rapper out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, as well as Fredo Bang's right-hand man. He was gunned down back in September of 2017, man. So news came out earlier today that an NBA affiliate by the name of NBA Pap has been indicted on second-degree murder charges in connection with the shooting death of the real G Money. Now, I do remember a couple of years ago they arrested NBA Pap, and I don't know if it was lack of evidence or if he bonded out of the whole situation, man. And I don't know what new evidence they found to indict him today, but they found something. It doesn't necessarily mean, you know, he's going to prison for the murder of G Money, but they for sure gonna take it to court, though. They for sure gonna take it to court. So we got a little article right here. Say NBA Pap, an associate of Baton Rouge rap artist NBA Youngboy, was indicted Thursday on second-degree murder count in the 2017 shooting death of rival local rapper G Money. Now, we know the tension between NBA and TBG, man. They've been going at it for some years now. DeAndre Fields, 26, of New Roads, is accused of killing G Money, whose real name is Garrett Burton, in a parking lot outside of Burton's music studio on Dallas Drive in Baton Rouge in September of 2017. Fields was arrested in June 2019 the killing of Burton, who performed with the TBG Top Boy Gorilla Group. NBA Youngboy, whose real name is Kentrell Gaulden, founded the NBA group. Why did they put NBA Youngboy's name in this whole thing, man? I don't know. I don't know if it's because, you know, he's the face of NBA, or I don't know if it plays into what I've been saying these past few weeks, man. The feds is after Youngboy. They trying to put Youngboy name in anything, man. They still investigating the shooting from 2 years ago, trying to put Youngboy name in it, man. So I don't know. And I saw some things earlier today. A lot of people was throwing around the word RICO, that they was going to turn this into a RICO case and all this stuff, man. I don't know. Y'all sound off in the comment section down below what y'all think gonna amount to this. NBA Pap indicted on second-degree murder charges in the death of the real G Money, man. RIPG. This whole thing, the whole war in Baton Rouge, man, it's crazy. It's crazy out there. If y'all new to the channel, though, y'all rock with me, want daily reaction videos, hit that subscribe button, follow me into the next video. I'll see y'all then. Thank you for watching Money Got You TV. I'm out.
I ain't gotta do too much. I swear that these niggas, they be doing too much. I ain't gotta